Hi guys, so para makapag-create ka ng or maka-request ka ng GCash card is first open natin yung ating GCash app. So yun, search lang natin sa App Store or Play Store GCash and then click open. After that guys, i-insert natin ng ating MPIN to log in our account. Then, makikita mo yung dashboard, pupunta po tayo sa profile. Pero since wala pa pong laman ng ating GCash, need po muna natin mag-cash in. So yan po guys, kung makikita nyo, nag-cash in po muna ako sa aking bank account to GCash. Kasi guys, mas maganda to na mag-cash in from bank account to GCash because no fee po siya kapag nilink nyo. So yun guys, since na-receive na natin yung 250, punta na po tayo sa profile and then click My Link Accounts. After that, click po natin yung GCash card. So ayun guys, makikita nyo ganyan po itsura ng GCash card. Then we need to click the order a card and send me a card. After nyan guys, click po natin yung next. Nga pala guys, ang GCash card cost 185 pesos. So yun po, need po natin mag-fill ng necessary information about us like recipient's name or yung name po natin, mobile number, province, city, barangay, landmark, and more. So, para po ito sa delivery address ng ating GCash card. So, ano po ba maganda sa GCash card? Ang kinagandahan po nito guys is Visa na siya, which is mas low po yung interest rate for, exchange rate for other foreign currency. So yun guys, click lang po natin yung terms and conditions. And then, need na po natin i-click ang next kung sure na po tayo sa mga informations na nalagay po natin. Make sure po na wala pong mali guys kasi kailangan po yun para sa pag-deliver ng ating GCash card. So yun guys, GCash card is 185, delivery fee is 65. So ang total amount po ng ating GCash card is 250 pesos. So yun po yun, next lang natin siya guys. So yan, baka ma-encounter nyo rin yung something went wrong or parang nag-error siya. I-click nyo lang po ang next until mag-proceed po siya. So yan guys, pay 250. Make sure guys na may laman po ang ating GCash card para makapag-request tayo nito. And after that guys, maghihintay lang po tayo ng 4 to 10 business days para hanggang dumating po ang ating GCash card. So yun lang po guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Yun lamang po. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification.